Welcome to day 100 of day trading the market open with a small account. We got a lot of stuff buzzing today, but those stocks are a little pricey. This is the stock market open, day trading the stock market open. What are we going to do here, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, SNGX taking a beating here. It feels like something's heating up. I imagine I'll probably only really do like 120 days of this, maybe 130 days of this, because I think statistically speaking, I have everything I need. Yeah, it's right on top of VWAP. We get rid of that drawing. Look at the space above VWAP though. Maybe we look for a break. Oh, SNGX. I don't think that was real. That was a flash. Problem is, look at all these daily levels in the way. Let's change the scans. Too expensive, too expensive, not too expensive, but what's going on here? Not enough volume. GPUS, what you doing over here? You just fell under the 200-day moving average. SNGX taking a beating here. Which daily levels are going to go to though? Alright, where were we? Ooh. Okay. LIXT. What are you doing, LIXT? You have news? No. You don't. NIVF. Wow, look at that candle, BMNR. That ended up being a decent bounce. Is that 10%? Yeah, 10% bounce for SNGX. Okay, decent red volume here. But like I said, GPUS has a lot of room if this decides to move over VWAP. I might try to hit that lower band on SNGX if that comes back down. What a way to start the month, huh? Or maybe we just wait for GPUS to pop up. Waiting. I think I'm gonna wait for GPUS to do something, because if I take a lower band here, I mean, I'll get like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I was gonna say I'll probably get like maybe $50 out of this move, but GPU has the ability to run after the move, where this one does not. And that's only if it gets over VWAP. So I don't know. I'm going back and forth. It's gonna be the best option here. Or the dailies. Are the dailies gonna give me any helpful insight? SNGX has a gap from like 150 to 165. And GPUS is also fighting some blank space there from a nasty candle back on 616. But that also probably means there's some shorts in there that might get squeezed out if this thing decides to make a move like what happened here. But did some shorts get back in? I mean, look at this candle. Holy smokes. 36% in 2 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. We need it to get above VWAP, though. It's not threatening for any shorts doing what it's doing now. Halt down 166. Daily level at 176. What to do. Think we just have to wait. Start looking at some of these other tickers too. Let's go through some tickers. Tilted down. That's also under VWAP. Oop, GPUS is buzzing which way? Buzzing down. Is he gonna bounce? And if so, where? Daily level 177. No minute. LIXT still pushing forward. What's the spread here? 3-cent spread. Potential halt up at 155. We're gonna watch this one. LIXT. Is it gonna try to halt up? And we'll put GPUS over here. Biotech with no news. We have a 200-day moving average at 161, which is very close to right now. Good volume, so we could see this volume getting more and more and more. Oh, that volume turned red though. Isn't that nasty? Let's hold down 108. Okay. Not great. This had so much potential. Oh. Wow, 10-cent spread. This is going to be a tricky one. GPUS is getting hammered. Look at these big red candles. Volume candles. Brutal. What do we do? You think it bear traps? It's not a lot of volume. Be like a $30 loss, $30 to $50 loss if we try it. The bid is not showing me any love. There we go, back down. There's a little bit of a fight there. Oh, 125. I was hoping it was going to give that 131 another shot. Okay, back to 129. Bid's 4 cents down though. That would be an immediate $40 loss if I jumped in. Guess I could go smaller size. I can go smaller size and then maybe add, I don't know. New minute in 3, 2, 1. We got red at 29. Got EMA, VWAP, and this daily level all like right around this 131. 126. The bid is not helping. It just flashes down like 4 cents, which is not a great sign. Risky. This is going to be a risky play if I decide to do this. $28, $26, and $28 on the bid. Not going to fool me on that ask quite yet. No volume. Absolutely none. Very little. Halt down 107. What's the move here? Where's the stock gonna go? Okay, good bounce there on GPUS finally. We could try to ride EMA. Alright, that broke down. We could try to ride EMA if it gets above it. Small buyers 184. to trade backside, though. If it's not a panic flush. Oh, LIXT. Speaking of panic flushes. You know, this would be one that I wouldn't be able to get out on the... I wouldn't even be able to get out on the ask, though, really. Let's just be honest about that. Let's move on. Moving along, moving along. VVOS. Nothing. Oh, no dip and rip after the halt up for BMNR. Okay, GPUS. Are we gonna try the EMA play here? Maybe we try 190 and then out at 2. Oh, why? Why are my hotkeys not working? All right, hotkey's not working. I gotta figure that out. Max loss is gonna be under 189. We're gonna try to ride this up to this band here at around 2. See what happens. Small sellers at 194. Ooh, a lot of green at 194. Some more sellers came back. There's 195, 196, 197. We'll cut that there. Very nice. Very nice. $45 trade. That happened. That did exactly what we wanted it to do. Cut it about 3 cents short, but that's okay. Dang, that blew right through that $200 moving average, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Why? Oh, gross. Gross candle. Gross candle. You know, I think we're going to call it. We're going to call it. I'm going to figure out these hotkeys, and that's going to be it. So, first day of July, up about $45. So, that's it. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. Peace.